Today we're in Finchley cleaning a resin bond driveway. Got Dimitri here with me. Say hello, Dimitri.
Hello guys.
So today we're going to be restoring this resin bond. Take a look. As you can see, it's pretty bad, lots of moss, and we're going to be using a 4-step process. First we're going to steam clean around the edges, then we're going to soft wash it all. Then we're going to go over it with the surface cleaner. Then we're going to soft wash again if needed and rinse off after that. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so we're just giving it the first soft wash treatment. Let's take a look. Started to rain a bit now. We're almost finished. Dimitri's just cutting in around the edges, doing a bit of steam cleaning and a bit of a rinse off. Steam cleaning all the walls as well. Let's take a look at the results so far. Still need a bit of a rinse off here. But the walls are looking nice. The resin bond's looking a lot cleaner and brighter. Just needs a final rinse off. Yeah, pretty happy with how it's coming out. So Dimitri, how do you think the job went?
Hi, the job is going very well. The driveway you can see is looking brilliant. It was very bad when I'm coming here. But now I think so the customer will be very happy.
Great job, Dimi. Hope you've enjoyed our resin bond transformation today in the Finchley area. If you're liking our videos, make sure you smash that like button. If you've got any questions, please do leave them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them. If you're enjoying our videos, then click here to subscribe to our channel, click here for the LBC website, click here for more driveway cleaning videos, and click here for some roof cleaning videos.